Introducing our game-changing custom-fit seat covers, crafted with neoprene for your car, truck, or SUV. Say goodbye to the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. Our custom neoprene seat covers are not only soft and stretchy, they are durably constructed, precision cut, and tailored perfectly for unmatched comfort and durability. Using cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship to capture every detail. These heavy-duty covers keep your seats clean and pristine, waterproof and pet-friendly. Built for every adventure. Our innovative design makes installation easy, providing the ultimate blend of style and functionality. Airbag compatible for safety. And unique built-in features offering flexibility and peace of mind. From neighborhood travels to off-road excursions, these covers are designed to elevate your ride. Experience the difference with FH Group. Take pride in your ride. For more information, visit us at www.fhgroupauto.com and upgrade your ride today.